Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn with Akanksha. So today I'm going to tell you something about World Asthma Day. As you all know, daily I used to tell something or the other on usual days. So today let's begin with Asthma Day. World Asthma Day is an annual event organized by the Global Initiative for Asthma to improve asthma awareness and care around the world. World Asthma Day takes place on the first Tuesday of May. Do you know what is asthma? Asthma is a long term chronic lung disorder which affects the lungs and the way that we breathe. It is a non communicable disease. It is caused due to the inflammation in the airways and an incurable disease. Nowadays, it is the most common chronic condition in children. In this disease, the airways become narrower and are filled with mucus, which further blocks the airflow. If asthma is not controlled in time, it could leave a person breathless. It can be caused due to allergic reactions from dust, smoke, fumes, pollen grains, grass, chemical irritants in the workplace, air pollution, etc. Is asthma a curable disease? As we have discussed, asthma can't be cured, but if managed properly with the right treatment at right time, it can be controlled to prevent patients from having asthma attacks or reduce the number of asthmatic patients. Special inhaler or daily medicine can be taken for the treatment of asthma disease. Also, patients should avoid going in smoky area. He or she should know why and how asthma possibility increase. Asthma patients use inhalers so that they can breathe properly with the help of medicine. This medicine reaches their lungs quickly and it starts to make them feel better. So how World Asthma Day is celebrated? As you all know, on first Tuesday of May, World Asthma Day is celebrated annually. So May month is considered as Asthma Awareness Month. So those who are suffering from asthma are encouraged to write AAP, Asthma Action Plan, like what meditation and facility they want to take care of asthma disease. There are some activities that are performed. First is to start with the best treatment asthma free checkup camps are organized. Second is in the required areas new asthma clinics and pharmacies are open. Third is in several countries asthma societies celebrates World Asthma Day on national level. And in this way many more. So we have seen this asthma in a chronic lung disorder, and if we take proper precautions it can be controlled easily. There are many facts about World Asthma Day. So let's begin with those facts. First is around 235 million people worldwide suffer from asthma. Second is there is no cure for asthma, but once it is properly diagnosed and a treatment plan is in place, you will be able to manage your condition and your quality of life will improve. Third is failure to use appropriate drugs or comply with treatment may sometimes lead to death. Next is asthma is the most common chronic disease among children. And the last is drugs and avoiding asthma triggers are the most appropriate treatment for asthma. So do you know what are the objectives of this asthma day? Yes, first is raise awareness of asthma symptoms and how to control it. Second is educate health practitioner about the importance of correct diagnosis and disease control. Last is enhance asthma patients and their awareness of the importance of avoiding and controlling asthma triggers. So at last I want to say stop for asthma and please take care. Try to spread awareness among people. On 1st May, World Asthma Day is celebrated worldwide. So I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.